Sunrise on Ibo Island in the Karimbas, and Haris here is taking us out for a little sea kayaking.
Into the mangroves.
Into the mangroves. What can we expect, Haris?
Okay, the channel we are going to paddle into is a channel that slabs were made to cut through mangroves until to an island south of Ibo called Karimbas. This is the pioneer mangrove, and Harris knows the scientific word is something like a Macronata raba. And what Harris has indicated is that this is normally the first mangrove to grow on the sandbanks, and then it establishes an environment for the other mangroves to arrive. And the unique thing about it is that it grows in salt water. It's the only tree that grows in salt water, and it secretes the salt on the reverse side of the leaf, and if you lick it, you'll taste it's exceptionally salty. And that's the way that that nature has adapted this tree to handle the saltiness of the water and for it to grow and thrive in this environment.
We've paddled about, what do we say, about 10 kilometers from the lodge, along some really magical mangroves and clear waterways. And we've entered this little channel here, and Harris has been telling us a little bit about the history.
Yes, the channel was made by slaves because when the Portuguese occupied the Kirimba area, they later occupied Ibo Island, so they needed to go to and from their first main base, and they had to go right into the sea, so it wasn't that safe